Hi, welcome to the module Python for Data Science. In this part of the video, we'll be seeing how we can read a CSV and Excel file inside Pandas. So our data is present inside two files. First is a CSV file named data.csv and second is the file named data.excel. So let's start by importing the important libraries first, that is Pandas. Now that we have imported the required library, let us first of all read the CSV file. CSV file can be read in Pandas using the read underscore CSV function. The file that we are going to read is data.csv. So first of all, let's create a variable, that is the df, which will store the data frame. Now what you can do is we will call the read underscore CSV function inside the Pandas package. Now we need to supply it the name of the file that we want to read, that is data.csv, and when we run this we can see that this file has been read. So to confirm that our file has been read, what we can do is we can check the first few rows using the head function. So when we do something like df.head, it returns the first few rows. So this confirms that our CSV file has been read properly. We'll see how we can read an Excel file inside the Pandas. So to read the Excel file, we'll be using the read underscore Excel function. Now let's move on to reading the Excel file format. Reading Excel file format is very much similar to the CSV file format. The only difference is in this function. We'll be using the read underscore Excel function to read the Excel file. Let's store the variable df1 inside this Jupyter notebook, which will contain the data frame. Now let's use the read Excel function. The name of the file that you are going to read is data.xlsx. So when I read this, let's just print the first few rows of this data frame and see if everything works fine. So we can see that the read Excel function has worked properly and we are able to read the first 5 rows of the data.xlsx file. So these are the basic operations that we are talking about on reading the CSV and Excel file format. Thank you so much.